Okay, so to create displacement for the bark, actually it's not that hard at all. What we're going inside the Photoshop, you can go inside any other image processing, or you can just download it from the pack that come with tutorials. So I'm going to create 1000 by 1000. Next, let's go create new layer, and I'm going to fill up. Okay, let me see if I'm 8-bit mode. Okay, so we'll go just fill up whatever filter. We'll go render, and we'll go to render clouds. Okay, next I want to add more details to this, so I'm going filter, render, and we'll go click difference clouds. Now we can press Ctrl F and apply same filter several times. So what I'm doing, I'm just clicking around and look how its texture look. You can notice the texture look, it's very interesting, and I'll just find one which is kind of give me a lot of effects elements. Okay, one thing you always can verify by going filter, other offset. You can see right here seamless, so you can apply by modifying. For example, this will be 500 by 500. This is given us on a middle, and you can see right here we have some effect seams going right on side. Best way to do is take our cloning stamp tool. Okay, let's increase in size. Our tool, we'll select brush, and I'll select just something softer. Okay, we're also opacity, let's say at about maybe 30-40 will be work fine. Okay, we'll go to press Alt key, and you can select some area around, and you can see right here we'll just start kind of semi painting inside a little bit. Select a little bit more far away. Again, by selecting 30%, it's provide us very nice soft edge. You always can increase slightly, again resampling, and overall what I do is just going around and creating this, smoothing the edge a little bit. So I'll just find something, we extend it, and very careful right here on the ends, but hiding a little bit this edge. We don't need to hide too much, because again that will be just displacement kind of working right here, but let's go just around a little bit and add hiding this edge slightly. Okay, there you go. Don't need to worry too much. How I say, it's just overall, so there won't be very sharp lines, but again, because of displacement, that will work. So next, let's go ahead and save this as a image. You can save as TFF, compressless, or if you're going to save as the JPEG, be sure you save on maximum 100%, so it does not apply some of the compression effect, so you don't have too much pixelization. Okay, so we're right here. Let's go apply some materials, and I'm going to combine a few materials here. So we'll use oak, and here's a couple of things when we used with oak. If we're going inside the view, you see a very high kind of lines, bump maps, very harsh. So what I found you need to do, you need to go switch to object parametric, and let's reduce to 0.5. Okay, as well, the bumps look okay. And you'll notice when we export in the view, these presettings will work very well for our tree for this basic. So next, let's go add one more, and I'll just take most. And for this one, we'll same thing. So I'll go to object parametric, 0.5. Okay, and let's go to environment, and I'm just taking mostly a bit down, so just create on the bottom, maybe around this area as well. We can apply some slope effect to this. So overall, just and a little bit fuzziness, so it will be have it smoother edges. Okay, as well we can go inside the bump, and instead of replace, let's go halfway to add, so it's merged a little bit better on a bump map between these two materials. This is overall general material, and again, this is will apply as a parent on the branches and everything. We can rework and remove some moss maybe from the connections or leave it. What is more important for us right here, it's use the segment body. So let's enable that one. And you notice we have right here our image we want to load it. So let's go ahead, open, and go navigate to the place where we save our image. Okay, and I'm going to navigate a place right here. This is displacement, so I'm going open. Okay, then next things, what I want to be sure it is on the materials above right here, it's enabled parametric. So you can see how we have this teeny tiny all these details. So if we enable parametric, the kind of stretching, it's take this map and apply to all trees. So this is create a little bit smoother effect. Let's increase. One thing, when you add, you can see how it's pushing inside, creating. So it may be effect you're going for, but if you think trunk become too thick, you always can use the offset. And I'm using offset outside, so it's kind of pushing out. You can see the trunk become a little bit thicker. But again, with displacement now, look what details we have in our trunk. So we have this veins almost going, and again with twisting and other effect, it will provide them not exactly straight. I think this is nice looking trunk for the tree, and we can go click preview overall. And you can see on details. Okay, so right here we have a nice trunk. Again, our effect may be mostly a bit too high, so let me go and bring even lower, and as well take the alpha boost and bring down. So just slightly touch, not necessarily overwhelm. Okay, right here we kind of created our trunk. What the next I'm going to do, it's reduce polygons. And again, I'm doing this just only before exporting. So when we work, and you can see we start losing a lot of details, but this is the way I can work much faster, and the system doesn't need work about all those worried about those polygons. So it's just increased performance when I'm modeling and adjusting. So let's go ahead and start working on the branches in the next tutorials.